Hello everyone! Are you ready to draw something cute today? Then join me as I show you how to draw a girl giving her kitty a big hug. First, let's start with a pencil sketch. Make light pencil strokes so you can easily erase them later. And think about big shapes, like circles for the heads, rectangles for the legs, and triangles for the shoes. Great, our sketch is finished. Next, grab your black marker and outline your sketch with clean lines. Feel free to round off some corners to make it extra cute. Alright, our marker work is also done. And finally, erase the pencil lines and color your drawing. You can use pencils, markers, watercolors, whatever you like. And voila, our drawing is finished. Now it's your turn. Grab a sheet of paper, a pencil and some markers and start drawing. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just have fun. Feel free to change whatever you like. You can change the colors of the clothes, or maybe you can draw yourself in place of the girl if you also love kitties. Or you can turn the kitty into a dog or a chicken. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Drawing Duckling for more fun drawing tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.